Do you have anything to say, Tofu? But if you're an artist like me and you're struggling to find places to sell your art at, you need to be looking for your target audience. Where are they going? There is a huge demographic of people wanting to buy fan art, and there are these amazing artists who set up and host these really cool niche art markets at coffee shops and tea shops. The way I found myself in this rabbit hole is that there was this Labubu pop-up at Rain Coffee. Labubus, I think they're so cute, and so I have 2 of them, and the 2 I got were at the market events. They're at the pop-up. One girl was just randomly selling them, and there was actually a vendor who was selling another one as well, and I got my favorite one, which is a pink one. There was a huge crowd there. Traffic was amazing. I was spending more than I intended to, and that's amazing for the vendors because like you want to be making money, right? And that's when I realized these are the kind of markets I should be vending at, not just like the ones where like people are selling flower bouquets or selling food, they're selling clothes or selling like just random items related to like their business. No, I should be selling at niche art markets for fan art. Recently they were looking for vendors for a Nintendo pop-up, and I actually already had a couple of like Animal Crossing stickers and specifically a Nintendo DS sticker which has like the game Cooking Mama on it, so I figured this would be perfect for me. Fortunately, I was accepted. I was so surprised because I didn't have much to sell. I whipped up. I was in this desk. I was designing and I was making and coming out with the cutest stickers. And in this video I'll be showing you some of the stickers that I made. I love them so much. I actually have them hanging on my fridge. And if you guys don't know me, my name is Loopy. I'm a Houston-based artist. I create art in all different mediums, traditional, and the one I'll be talking about today is digital, where I make fan art as well as original art. The fan art that I create is related from Nintendo, Pokemon, One Piece, all of your favorite and my favorite animes. I own Grim Studio and I've had this business for about 2 years, and I recently rebranded last year. My goal with my business and vlogging is to reach more people who share the same love for art as I do. That be creating, connecting with the community, learning new skills. That is what I'm totally invested in, and I want to be able to share that journey with you guys. So if you're ready to see behind the scenes of prepping for a pop market event, then let's get to it. I've been making stickers for the pop-up. Isaac is sleeping right now, so I'm not trying to make a lot of noise, but I just made the cutest Maggie Carp sticker. These are so cute. I cannot wait to see them in their true sticker form. I'm gonna add a holographic sheen to them. Set to heavy cardstock, and I wanted 12 of them, so it's gonna be 2 different sheets. Currently it's 9:30. We're gonna go to Cohico real quick. And by real quick, I mean like it's gonna be on the way. We also need to get some hairspray because I just curled my hair, and Houston's humidity is not fucking playing today. It's not playing. She's coming for our throats, and she's coming for my hair specifically. We were able to come to Cohico Coffee House early enough to grab 2 spots at their bar seating area. I enjoy sitting at this area because I'm able to see the breezes make the drinks, and I feel that adds on to the experience of a coffee house. And so I like coming to Cohico when I'm updating my online shop. This morning we were updating my Nintendo stickers onto my online shop as well as my Etsy shop. Outside of the cozy ambiance they provide, their drinks are phenomenal, and these are the items that I got. I recommend you try for yourself and tell me what you think. When it comes to a booth display, you got to ask yourself these two important questions. How does my booth represent my business? And second, how does it represent the products I want to sell and market to the audience? Your booth is personal and customizable to you and your business. So I'm not going to be here and tell you what to get, but I'll tell you what I decided to invest in for myself, which was 1, a table, 2, risers, so it brings all my products closer to eye levels. I also invested in my own personal banner that has my business name. I got these tablecloths from Walmart. I got these turf patches from Daiso. Also want to invest in a display on how you're going to show off your products. So for me, I decided to go the path of wire grids because they're very easy to connect and they're pretty affordable, and I got them from Daiso as well. Isaac made an oopsie.
It won't stick.
And we wanted to put these right here so people could just pick up their orders. So we'll see. Maybe we could just use regular tape.
Or they can just take it from your door without hands.
Okay, so what we got going on so far, almost done. I'm just trying to figure out where to put these, as well as the coloring sheets. So originally I wanted it here, but I like how this looks right here. We'll see. We'll see. I got the double chocolate cookie, so it's Tom Nook.
Oh, that's so cute.
I get to eat them.
It's Timmy. Tommy.
No, this is Tom.
Is that Tom?
This is Tom the Crook.
Oh, you can eat him.
What are these?
Those are coloring pages.
Oh, coloring pages. Take one of the business cards.
Yeah, of course.
So for the Pachaco one,
Yeah.
I have an holographic and one without the holographic sheen. Which one do you prefer?
Can I have the holographic sheen?
Holographic one, yeah. So I made my first sale. She got the Pachaco sticker, the 2 lesbian stickers, and the Scorpio sticker. Happy someone got the Pachaco one because that one's my favorite. So that was a sale of $21 for 4 stickers. I want to make at least 100 today. I know it's low, but that's my goal for today. We're gonna pack up now. It's 4 o'clock. Luckily, what is this called? Packing up, picking up, tearing down is actually a lot faster and easier than setting up. So I'm just gonna fast forward, and the next clip you'll see is this tear down. How do you think we did?
Pretty good.
Okay, I wanted to make 100, but we made 96, so that's pretty good. We just got done packing everything in my carrito. How long do you think it took us? Like 10 minutes? 10
Probably
minutes
around
to
there,
pack
like 10
everything?
minutes to put everything up.
Well, and it took us like an hour, fucking hour to put everything up, but 10 minutes to deconstruct it. So that's good. We're on our way to go eat. We're not sure yet. We're gonna go explore KDH town. Yep. How was today?
Wait, I'm having such a hard time.
I feel like I made it easy though.
No, it is easy.
For you.
It's just with Shanks. Because I remember before, like, everything went to shit, he only popped up like 3 times.
Oh, that one was hard.
But then he popped up.
Don't think of anime though.
No,
That's manga only.
I know, and I'm not even all the way caught up, but I feel like he pops up again.
It's a low number.
Yeah,
That's what I'll say.
It's only 7.
Who can say?
So Mia just won the trivia. She literally 5.5, and then the other person who was close to winning missed 5 2/3. So it was crazy because I was actually out here doing math, some fractions. Shout out to Miss Kennedy. She showed me how to find the common denominator again, how to do fractions. So yeah, we have 25 minutes left of the pop-up event, but everything's been going really good, so I might just clean up a little. I'm gonna eat this bad boy now. This is from one of the vendors. She had cake pops, cakesicles, and the chocolate covered strawberries. Ah, look at that. That's so cute. So cute.
Thank you so much.
It's so good.
I want you to try this.
Thank you. That was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. The pop-up I participated in was a Nintendo theme, and it was hosted by Lauren, who is a well-known baker in the Houston area. Her treats are so delicious, and I've had them. And when I vended for her, she gave us like a little goodie bag of sweet treats. So a tip from her of what to do when I'm like the host of the vendor is to give my vendors a little gift, and that's what I ended up doing for the One Piece pop-up. At the end, you saw how they were gifting me things, and I didn't include the part where I let them choose like their own little One Piece sticker from the collection I had just made. If you haven't gone to see the collection, it's live on my website. I have about 5 stickers, one for Nami, Usopp, Zoro, Sanji, and Sunny. I've been meaning to make more, but I just have so many ideas I want to work on. Now I'm satisfied with the collection of One Piece stickers. I'm going to put a pause on that and work on my Pokemon stickers. There were so many things that I didn't tell you or show you guys about. For example, the balloon arch was a whole ordeal that I didn't want to get into. The bounty posters were giving me such a hard time. They wouldn't stick on the balloon arch, so what I decided was to just like individually hang them around the venue, and I think that worked out best because everyone got to walk around. They're like, oh, and they would just talk, and it was like the most updated bounties as well. I forgot to make the One Piece logo sign. I was supposed to make it that morning of, and I had time and it just slipped my mind, so all I got to really work on was just hanging up the individual posters and setting up as many balloons as I could. It was also really nice to see some of my friends come out and show out and support. Ironically, one of them did end up winning the trivia. In the foreseeable future, I do see myself hosting again, just not anytime in the summer, maybe later in the fall or winter. Right now, my main focus is on Tokyo X. So I'll be vending at Tokyo X. I'll put my little information right here of where I'll be, where my booth is at. Be expecting my fan art of Pokemon, One Piece, Nintendo, and specifically Pochako, because I don't feel like Pochako gets enough like merch compared to Cinnamoroll or Kuromi or My Melody. Like, I need to see more Pochako, and so I only have Pochako stickers, no other Sinrio character but Pochako. I'm gonna be posting more videos like behind the scenes vlogs of my preparation leading up to Tokyo X. If you guys have any questions when it comes to vending, please leave a comment down below and I will answer all your questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time.